Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pre-made butterfly locks, easy method. Start by loosening hair into medium sections and prepare pre-made butterfly locks for installation. Use a latch hook or crochet needle to attach locks near the root, blending extensions with natural hair. Tighten gently to avoid tension, repeat across the head, then trim and fluff ends for shape. Enjoy a relaxed, protective style. Get comfy and gather tools before you start so the process stays smooth and focused. Sectioning with a tail comb makes each install tidy and consistent, which saves time later. I like a light oil at the roots to add slip, but avoid heavy product that weighs locks down. Keep a mirror handy to check the back and edges as you go for a polished finish. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like. It really helps me bring more content your way. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying while styling effortless and oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically from one side to the other so your parting lines stay straight and even. Fold the pre-made lock at its top, insert the hook through the root, pull hair through the loop, and tighten gently to secure without pulling the scalp. Blend natural hair into the lock to hide any gaps, then move to the next section. Finish by trimming stray ends and fluffing to create natural movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.